Hey guys, so for today we're going to be working on the 4th grade worksheet for week 8. So on our very first page, we're going to be trying to find the missing number, right? The missing number right over there. And so first what we're going to do is for number 1, we're going to have to find what number minus 14 is equal to 7. And so to do that, we're going to subtract 7 on this side and this side, because the number that we get is the number that goes in here. So if we do subtract 7 from 14, we are going to get 7. And so the number 7 goes in here. And now, if you're unsure of your answer, you could also double check, right? If you do 14 minus 7, your answer is 7. So after you solve your problem, it is always better to double check to see if your answer is correct. So once again, for number 2, this time we're also going to be subtracting this number from 3. And so when we do that, we'll get the missing number, because 3 plus 1 number is equal to 8, right? That's what we need to find. So if we do 8 minus 3, we're going to get, let me rewrite that. Minus 3, we're going to get 5. And so our answer is 5. And now to double check, 3 plus 5 is also equal to 8, right? Alright, you'll be finishing the rest of the page for this one, and let's move on to the next page. Looks like we'll be working with multiplications again. I hope you do know how to do the first digit number, like 1's multiplication, right? 5 times 6, so technically you're doing, here, I'll show you as a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 6, 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 5 plus 6, right? 5 times 6, sorry. And so if you count every single dot in here now, we are going to get 30. And so the answer for 5 times 6 is 30. Right? So once again, now to look at double digit numbers, if we look at number 4, 10 times 11, we're going to line it up like this, times 11, and we're going to multiply this number with this number first, which 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1, now we're going to multiply this 2 next. 1 times 1 is 1. And we're now working with the tens place, so we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. And once again, 1 times 0 is going to be 0, and 1 times 1 is going to be 1. If you add this together, you get 0, 1, 1. And so the answer for number 4, right over here, is going to be 1, 1, 0. Alright, finish the rest of your page, and let's move on to the next one. Addition. Let's just do one problem for addition. So adding, we're also going to line it up. Remember to line it up with your ones, tens place all together. 45, 23, adding up. 3 plus 5 is going to be 8. 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. So your answer is going to be 68. Right? Now then, let's go on to our last page. We've got 4 word problems here. I'll be doing the first one. So let's see. Sally has a total of 50 seashells to sell. She was able to sell 42 of the shells to Sammy. How many shells does Sally have left to sell? Okay, so because she sold 40 of them, we're going to do minus 42. Sorry, 42, right? we're going to do minus 42 from 50. And so if we do lining them up again, 50 minus 42 is going to be here. There we go. So we can't subtract 2 from 0, so you're going to be borrowing 10 from 5. And so this will be 4. And so 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. 4 minus 4 is going to be 0. So Sally only has 8 more to sell. Right? I would like you guys to try the rest of the problems by yourself. And if you do like to check your work, if you're the type who likes to check your work, you guys could always check your work on the online for Ylock, right? And here's the answer for page 1, page 2, subtraction, page 3, multiplication, page 4, word problem. Oh, I believe page, they got this confused, but on the answer key it says it's for subtraction, but it's actually for addition. So yeah, where it's a subtraction word over here, just know that it's gonna be addition ones. Right? Or maybe let me double check. Oh, the answers for the multiplication and the subtraction got switched, and the subtraction is supposed to be addition, not subtraction. Alright? So make sure to remember that when you're looking at this. And that'll be all. Thank you.